Hi you guys, it's me Shante and welcome back to Shake It Up with Shante. If you've been here before, welcome back and thank you as always. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome and thank you guys as well. Look, listen, I have a surprise for you all today. I'm going to be showing you guys my secret, my way of how I make my stuffed jalapeno peppers. Yes, stuffed jalapeno peppers with chorizo sausage wrapped in bacon, cooked on the grill. Without further ado, let's shake something up. All right, so we have here some jalapeno peppers. I have a whole pack from my local Food Depot for $1.09. I also got a pack of these banana peppers for $1.76. I've never used these before, but I wanted to give them a try. I wanted something a little milder than the jalapenos, so I chose these right here, and it's only like 4 or 5 in the pack, and I'll probably use these 4. I probably won't use this one because it's too small. So then the next thing you're gonna need, easy peasy simple recipe, you guys. Just follow this recipe and you will not go wrong. Best stuffed jalapeno peppers and banana peppers you ever have. You need some cheddar cheese, any brand, any kind, it doesn't matter. Some Philadelphia cream cheese. You're gonna need some complete, of course. I have some Cajun season. The secret ingredient, chorizo. I have the 100% pork chorizo. They do sell this in beef as well, but I want pork. I have no problem with pork. Also got some bacon. I try to get the thin sliced bacon and not the thick slice, even though I like to eat the thick sliced bacon if I'm eating breakfast, but I like the thin sliced bacon if I'm gonna put them on the grill. Now I'm gonna do these on the grill, but you can also do these in the oven on 400 degrees for about 12 minutes. Once you get everything prepared and ready, you can also put them in the oven 400 degrees for about 12 minutes and they will turn out the same way. But I'm gonna put them on the grill. I'm gonna hurry up because look, it's getting kind of dark and I don't want it to be dark, and I did want to wait until the sun go down, but I wait until the sun go deep down, honey. But listen, let me wash these peppers, get these cleaned up really quickly, and I'll be back to show you guys how I'm gonna finish this up. All right, you guys, I've done these so far. I'm gonna show you how I do these. You have to hollow them out, take all of the seeds out and the membrane. The membrane is this right here. So you wanna take all of this out because this is what makes the pepper hot. Once you take all of this out, the membrane and the seeds like this, don't cut it too deep. Get you a little bitty knife, like a little paring knife or something, and just cut it a little bit. Once you do that, which I have over here, move this over here. I have a bowl of water, cold water, and I just scrape this down in here. Now, let me tell you guys, you probably want to put some gloves on, which something I should have done, but I did not think about that until I was halfway into the project. I mean, I thought about it at the last minute, but that's all you want to do is hollow your pepper out straight like that. Get you a spoon and scrape everything out, all of the white stuff and the peppers, the little seeds. That's what makes your pepper hot. Either you can choose to leave the stem on, a good way to hold your pepper like that if you choose to. Now these banana peppers, I can see why people don't use these because they go down like that. They don't hold up like a cup like the jalapenos. You see, this is flat, but I'm gonna still make it work because I want to try it. So I'm gonna make it work and make it do what it do. But what I do is basically from before that part, I just take a pepper, I kind of lay it on its side. I figure out what is the side, what is the top. I kind of lay it like that on its side, and then I just go from the top up here where the handle is, where the stem is, and I just come down the pepper straight down the middle like that. And that's how I do it. And then I go ahead on and remove the membrane and the seeds out in the cold water so that the pepper can kind of keep its shape. So I put it in cold water, but for some reason this water done got a little warm. Maybe these peppers so damn hot. Maybe these peppers so hot they done heated the water up a little bit. Oh Lord. And let me tell y'all something. When I went to the grocery store today to get these peppers, I said, Lord, please don't let these peppers be hot. Y'all know what I did? I opened up the pack and bit one. I bit the tip of it to see was it hot. Now let me tell y'all something. I was gonna buy the pepper even if it was hot because I bit it. But yeah, I bit that pepper in the store because I wanted to know is it gonna be hot, honey? And it went hot. So I said, okay, this is what I need right here. But I went ahead on and bought the pepper I bit, and I got the rest of them. So, yeah, you just hollow them out just like that. And that's it. I think I'm going to do this one, and then that's it. I won't do the rest of the other banana peppers. I just want to try this. Let me cut it open, let y'all see what it look like. So this don't have as much membrane and seeds in it. These aren't hot at all. So I already knew these wasn't gonna be hot because they're banana peppers. So banana peppers typically ain't hot. Even with the seeds and the membrane, they're not hot, but I'm still take it out just so I can have room to stuff them. So you just wanna take this right here, scrape all of that down with your spoon. Take everything out so it can be like a little bowl, like a little cup type thing. And that's it. That's all you do, guys. That's it. Go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start preparing my chorizo sausage. This is a very good sausage, you guys. If you want to try it, you know, like I told you, it is pork, but it's very, very good. Seasoned. It got all kind of spices and seasoning in it. If you never tried it, please try it. It's very, very good. I'm only going to use half of this pack. I'm not going to use the whole thing. And it scrambles up just like ground beef. I'm going to turn it on low a little bit. And let's fill it. It cooks up just like any other ground sausage. It smells so good, y'all. If y'all put this in anything, oh my goodness, it smells so, so good. All right, let me turn this off. I want to get this off the heat because I don't want to mix it with my cream cheese hot. So I'm going to sit that to the side, let that cool completely down. And I'm going to go over here, get my cream cheese. Put it in the bowl. And you want to let your cream cheese sit out, get room temperature. And mine has been sitting out. It's most definitely room temperature. Put all of that in the bowl. Okay. Get your cheddar cheese. I'll put you some cheddar cheese in the bowl. Use as much cheese as you like, honey. More cheese, the better. I'm not going to use any salt because of the sausage. I changed my mind. I'm going to use a little bit of complete. Just a little bit. All right. I ain't going to use no Cajun seasoning. I'm not going to use any salt. Change my mind. Because the chorizo is it's a little salty. Just a little bit. We're just going to mix this up. Just like so. And you're going to wait on that chorizo to cool down. That's all you need. Wait on that to cool down, and we're going to be stuffing these peppers. Look at that. Cheese, cream cheese. You can't go wrong with that. Cheese and cream cheese together? Who? Please. All right, let's wait on this chorizo. All right, y'all. My chorizo has cooled down. So I'm going to go ahead, empty this right into here. Okay. Mix it up real good. Y'all can't smell that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I tell you. I tell you. I tell you. Put a little bit more cheese in here. That's good. Now I'm just gonna, now this is more stuffing than I need. This is more than I need, but I'm gonna go ahead and stuff these peppers. Just like so. Just like that, y'all. They already look good. And they ain't even all the way cooked yet. They already look good. Look at that. Look at these peppers, y'all. Don't they already look good? I just want to bite one right now. Just want to bite it. But I tell y'all though, if y'all do this, please be careful and use gloves. I should have used gloves. Let me tell you something. After you've been undone this, scraping your peppers and all that stuff, just lick one of your fingers. Lick one of your fingers and tell me, especially if you ain't use no glove, tell me, don't you think you should have used some gloves? Especially people who don't like hot, spicy stuff like me. I don't know why I ain't put on no glove, child, but I don't wash my hands. I can tell you about 10 times. I use Dawn too. Y'all know what they say about that Dawn, honey. It removes everything. If y'all know something else I need to use to get, because I'm scared to rub, I'm scared to put my hand in my face. I'm scared to go take a shower. I might make a mistake, honey. I might make a mistake. This little pole pepper, honey, it's so little. That's okay. You gonna get eaten too, baby. Don't worry about it. You gonna get eaten too. Yes, you is. Yes, you is. You and your little brother. I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing these, y'all. And then I'm gonna come back when I get ready to wrap them in bacon. Let me show y'all one of these. Let me see how I'm gonna do this though. Let's see this. Okay, not too bad. You just have to lay it on here a little thin. See there? Lay it on there a little thin. It's edible too, honey. It's edible too. All right, y'all. We'll be back in just a second. All right, y'all. I'm done stuffing the peppers. Look how much I had left, y'all. Just a tad little bit. I mean, if I'd had one more pepper, which I do got, but I ain't finna melt them peppers no more and cut them up. I eat that. All right. So I'm going to get ready to wrap these in bacon. I'm going to cut the bacon just like this. I may not put bacon on all of them. I don't know. But yeah, you're just going to take your bacon, stretch it, wrap it around just like so. That's all you got to do. Wrap it around just like that. All done, y'all. I'm about to take it outside. All right, y'all. So I got my plate of peppers. I'm about to put them on the grill. I know it's dark, but that's okay. As long as we can see them, we've seen them before, and we're going to see it after. I'm putting them on aluminum foil because I don't want that grease from the sausage and the bacon to drip down. I'm using the gas side of my grill. I have a grill that's charcoal one side, gas on the other side. I'm going to use the gas side for these. And I have this set on a medium, kind of low temperature. So we're going to put these bad boys out here on this grill. I'm going to tell y'all how long it takes. And when they're done, I'm going to bring them inside and show you guys how they look done. And remember, you can always do this in the inside in the oven. Like I said, on 400 degrees for about 12 minutes. But I wanted to do these out on a grill because we were just chilling outside today. So we're still out here this evening. We still out here chilling. So I want to put them on the grill. There they go, y'all. All right, y'all. See, they cooking. We halfway there. We're halfway there. They probably been cooking like 8 minutes now, but they are cooking. All right, y'all. Here it goes. Here's my chorizo stuffed jalapenos with some wrapped in bacon. I've taken them off the grill, and here they are. When I tell you, I've already eaten one, y'all. When I tell y'all, these things are so good. Y'all gotta try these. They are so good. I done ate one. Let me eat this one because I like mine a little charred. So I like this look. It's cooked, it's charred. I like that. Y'all gotta try these, honey. And I did wait for them to cool down. Y'all know how I'm always eating stuff when it's real hot. I had to wait till this cool down, baby, because this cream cheese when it's hot, it ain't no joke. Y'all. I can eat all of these, really. But I'm not. And when you take them pepper seeds out and you take that membrane out them peppers, they not even hot. They like perfect. When I tell y'all, these hemp things good. I want y'all to try to make y'all some of these. This one of the banana pepper one. Let me tell you that one. That one even better. When I tell y'all, that cream cheese, that chorizo sausage, that bacon, this the best appetizer, honey. With your good cold beer. Or a glass of iced tea, you know, sweet tea or whatever. Or some Henny or, you know, some water. Whatever floats your boat. Perfect appetizer for that. I'm gonna eat me about 4 more of these, y'all. I want y'all to try to make some of these. When y'all make them, tell me how you like them. Leave it in the comment section. If you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. Share. It's free, why not? Until the next video, I appreciate each and every one of y'all, and I'll see you then. Bye.